Hello, I'm Mila from In% Hair Salon in Taiwan. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to style the man's look with Japanese style. Welcome to our lovely model. We have done the perm and involved a typical Japanese look, which included hydrated curl fields. He has coarse hair with natural curls, low porosity and high density. We will show you how to style the hair based on his hair type. Shampoo the hair with the hydrating shampoo and conditioner before styling. We have finished the shampooing and you can see the clear curls in wet condition. As we mentioned earlier, we want to create hydrated curls in Japanese style, so we will use the Glamour Whip. Glamour Whip can enhance the curls and provide hydration to the hair. So we will use the Glamour Whip as the prep product. The amount of mousse will be around 1 palm size for short man's style. Distributing the Glamour Whip evenly to the hair. Before diffusing, we can use the small clips to enhance the lifting effect on roots, also in outline. Now we can start to style. A small tip: if you want to have the more natural feel, you can brush the hair with your finger during the process of diffusing, so it can lose the curls and have a natural texture. But if you want to have the same result as today's video, strong definition with rich texture, diffuse the hair surface without any brushing. Then you will have the same style as him. For the next step, we will apply the curl splash into the ends of the hair to enhance separation texture feeling. Remember to use the right amount of styling product. Keep the curl splash evenly on your hands and you can start to create the separation. To remove the clips before styling, don't brush your hair again, as the curls have the great performance with Glamour Whip. We only need to focus on the hair ends to enhance the curls and give the hair a more hydration feeling. We have completed the Japanese style with hydrated curls. I hope you like it!